Hi and welcome back to Chip's Green World. I'm going to take you back to spring 2020. Have a look at the project I did in lockdown. So this is the little plot. It's at the left hand side as you go into the main garden. And this is the plan. Little pebble pool and path through it. Bench on the south facing wall of the potting shed and 2 wildflower beds either side. So here you see the first stage of the groundwork's complete. I've used reclaimed bricks that I saved from the house as the edging for the path. Now on to the pond liner. This only cost me £11 online and I've used an old quilt as an underlay as save it going to landfill. The pebbles I'm using are left over from a job I did down in the courtyard, so no cost. So I've got the first layer of pebbles in the bottom, start filling with water and then continue laying the pebbles up the side as the water rises. Then to cut off all the excess pond liner and finish the edge with the remaining pebbles. And whilst Bud's enjoying her new watering hole, let's turn our hand to planting. So I've planted 2 white lupins, 2 yellow lupins, some viburnum, alabaster, 3 types of geraniums and a few others I cannot pronounce. And at the front of the pond I've put a border of clover as it's hardy, and this is where I'll be accessing the pond for future work and also bring the bees in. Now on to the plants that I put into the pond. Here's a list. A couple of irises, 10 water snails, this beautiful thing, and a couple of oxygenating plants to keep the pond healthy. Wildflower seeds I sprinkled on the 2 borders either side of the bench came up beautifully, and the clover was a great success. So now all that's left to do is relax and enjoy. Winter came and went, and then into spring. So that's it for this week. I hope you've enjoyed. Like, subscribe. Hope to see you next week. Bye for now.